In the modern data center landscape, the need for scalable, high-density power infrastructure is non-negotiable. The relentless rise of AI, high-performance computing, and edge networking demands robust power solutions that can keep pace with technological advancement. Welcome to Larson Electronics, a leader in providing modular power infrastructure specifically designed for the complexities of modern high-density data centers. We specialize in the core components that ensure reliability and efficiency. Our product range includes transformers designed to efficiently manage voltage distribution, minimizing losses and optimizing energy flow throughout your facility. We also offer uninterruptible power supply systems. These aren't just backup units, they're intelligent architectures that allow you to expand capacity with hot swappable modules, reducing initial capital expense while ensuring seamless, uninterrupted power as your facility grows. Our power distribution units are engineered for maximum density and intelligent control. These units offer the data needed to make informed capacity planning decisions and prevent costly downtime. At Larson Electronics, we understand that power constraints are a primary challenge in the data center industry. That's why our systems are designed to be as efficient as they are reliable and scalable. At Larson Electronics, we provide an integrated power path that can adapt to the most demanding workloads. Powering progress with modular infrastructure, Larson Electronics is your trusted partner in data center power infrastructure design and deployment. Larson Electronics was founded in 1973 as an industrial lighting company. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, our mission is to provide customers with high-quality industrial products through reliable sales support and expedited delivery services. With over 140,000 square feet of fabrication and warehouse facilities, we are well prepared to build any power distribution or lighting solution to customer specifications. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.